Another question given by you. It's the miscellaneous problem. When 6 boys were admitted, means boy 6 admitted and girls 6 left. So the percentage of boy percentage increase from 60 to 75%. Find the original number of boys and girls in the class. So easy. It's a percentage problem, but a basic percentage. Let number of boy in class X, the number of girls Y. So, if initial boys percentage is 60%, means if it is first percentage of boy, what percentage? X boy out of total means X plus Y. X upon X plus Y, that is equal to 60%. Cancel out. 10x is equal to 6x plus 6y. So 4x is equal to 6y. 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Then make second number of boy X plus 6, number of girls Y minus 6. So the total X plus 6 plus Y minus 6 is X plus Y. So percentage of boy, that is X plus 6 upon X plus Y, is equal to 75%. Because according to question, the boy percentage increased to 75%. 3 times, 4 times, cross multiply. 4x plus 24, here 3x plus y, 3y. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 24. Equation number second. Solve both the equation. Write them. 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. This of equation first. Same coefficient, same sign. Subtract. Minus 24 cancel. Minus x. X is equal to 24. Means initially 24 boys in the class. Then put in any equation, either first or second. Put in second. So 24 minus 3y is equal to minus 24. 24 plus 24 is equal to 3y. 48 by 3 means 16 girls. So boys 24, girls 16. Okay. And the problem, if the question wants find the total strength of the class, so 40 students. 40 students in the class. Out of 40, 24 boys and 16 girls. Pause the video. Note down. Next question, student. It's very so small written question. But I always say, please send me questions very clear. It's very difficult to understand what's the question you send. When the son will be old as the father, today their age will add up to 126 years. When the father was old as son is today, their age add up to 30 years. Means when son to father age, so son plus father 126. When father to son age, so son plus father make 38. Okay, now solve it. Means when, suppose that first thing, let present age of son to be x and the parent age of father to be y. When son age to father, means suppose son की एज 10 साल, फादर की एज 32, means son age to 32. So what is the age of father at that time? Son how many years old? 22 years. Means if son age increased by 22 years, so father is also increased by 22 years. How we get 22? Father age plus difference. क्या एज इंक्रीज हुई? So at that time son age x year. Son age at that time make y. According to question, son age to father. So father age at that time, that is y plus y minus x. If son increased by 22 years, so father is also increased by 22 years. So same thing, same concept used here. So according to question, son age plus father age is equal to 126, means minus x plus 3y is equal to 126. Equation first. Case second, father age x, means when father age to son's age, same at that time son age, means father छोटा हो गया. How many age? Same. If case second, you have to form father age 10. So before how many year? 22 year. So at that time, अब थोड़ा सा वैल्यू छोटी हो गई, बहुत ज्यादा छोटा हो गया, तो बेचारा पैदा भी नहीं हुआ होगा. So means difference of these ages are add or subtract. So when father age is x, so son age is x minus y minus x. इतने साल पहले. Okay, so at that time both age make 38, open the bracket, 2x minus y minus x is equal to 38, 3x minus y is equal to 38. Equation number second. Solve both the equation. So we have to rub them, this line. Minus x plus 3y is equal to 126. 3x माइनस वाई है, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, दैट इज 9x माइनस 3y एंड 24 का 4, 3 3 9 2 11. It's equation first, it's from second after multiplying by 3. Then add by cancel, 8x is equal to 0 4 1 2, then x is equal to 30 years, means parent age of son is 30 years and the parent age of father put in first. Minus 30 plus 3y is equal to 126, 3y is equal to 156, y is equal to 52 years. Son 30 years and father 52 years. Okay, you can check if you want to check the answer. If father is 30, so son is coincident as the difference is 22 years. We have taken the example 22 year difference. It's also 22 years. So son is 8 year. So 30 and 8 38. Okay, so that like you have to check your answer. Pause the video and note down. Okay, thank you class.